Do you ever feel like there's just not enough time in the day? Emails piling up, meetings that drag on forever, tasks just disappearing into the void. Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to get twice as much done in half the time and actually enjoy the process? Thanks to the insane advancements in AI, we're not just talking about a productivity boost. We're talking about a full-on system upgrade. We're diving deep into the world of AI tools that are straight up changing the game. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock a whole new level of efficiency with these 10 mind-blowing AI tools. First up, we've got Notion AI. And let me tell you, this thing is like having a super smart assistant who lives inside your Notion workspace. Imagine this. You're staring at a blank page, the dreaded cursor blinking, no idea where to start. That's where Notion AI comes in clutch. Need to brainstorm blog post ideas? Boom. Notion AI will spit out a list faster than you can say writer's block. It can also summarize lengthy documents, translate languages on the fly, and even write different kinds of creative content. Trust me, once you go Notion AI, you'll never go back. Next, we're jumping into the world of ChatGPT, and if you haven't heard of this one, you're seriously missing out. This AI language model is like having a conversation with, well, a super intelligent being. Need help coming up with a killer presentation? ChatGPT's got you. Want to write a song but can't find the right words? ChatGPT to the rescue. And the best part, ChatGPT is constantly learning and evolving. Seriously, this thing is so smart, it's kinda scary. But hey, we're not here to be scared. We're here to be productive, right? Okay, let's talk meetings. We all have them. Most of us dread them, and they can be huge time suckers. But fear no more, because Fireflies.ai is here to save the day. This AI meeting assistant joins your video calls, takes detailed notes, and even creates transcripts so you can focus on what's actually being said instead of frantically scribbling notes. Fireflies.ai can also identify key action items, track speaker time, and even generate summaries of your meetings. It's like having a personal assistant who not only attends meetings for you, but also makes sure you get all the important takeaways. No more zoning out during presentations, people. Chapter 4. Descript Video Editing just got a whole lot easier. For all my fellow video creators out there, Descript is about to change your life. This AI-powered video editor makes editing as simple as editing a text document. Want to cut out those ums and ahs? Just highlight and delete, just like you would in a Word doc. It can also transcribe your videos automatically, create captions in multiple languages, and even clone your voice for seamless audio editing. It's like having a professional editing team at your fingertips, without the hefty price tag. Chapter 5. Motion. Your calendar just got a serious upgrade. Let's be real, managing a calendar can feel like a full-time job. But with Motion, those days of endless scheduling conflicts are over. This AI-powered calendar app plans your day for you, automatically scheduling tasks and meetings based on your priorities and availability. Motion takes care of the logistics so you can focus on what really matters. Superhuman Email just became your superpower. If you're drowning in emails, Superhuman is your life raft. This AI-powered email client is all about speed and efficiency. We're talking keyboard shortcuts for everything, lightning-fast search, and even the ability to undo send. Because we've all sent that email we immediately regretted. Say goodbye to email overwhelm and hello to inbox zero. Okay, let's talk writing. Whether you're crafting a killer email, writing a blog post, or just trying to sound coherent in your social media captions, Grammarly Go is your new secret weapon. This AI-powered writing assistant goes way beyond basic grammar and spelling checks. We're talking about suggestions for tone, style, and clarity. It can even help you rephrase sentences to make them more impactful. Consider Grammarly Go your personal editor, always there to make your writing sharper, clearer, and more engaging. If you're looking for an all-in-one productivity hub, ClickUp with AI has got you covered. This powerful platform combines project management, task management, and team collaboration tools, all powered by the magic of AI. ClickUp's AI features can help you automate tasks, prioritize your work, and even predict potential roadblocks before they happen. Plus, with its intuitive interface and customizable workflows, ClickUp can adapt to any team or project. Chapter 9. Otter.ai-transcribe like a pro. For anyone who's ever struggled to keep up with note-taking during meetings, interviews, or lectures, Otter.ai is a game changer. This AI-powered transcription service can transcribe audio in real time, so you can focus on the conversation instead of frantically scribbling notes. It can also identify different speakers, create timestamp notes, and even generate summaries of your recordings. Chapter 10. Reclaim, find your work-life balance. In today's always-on world, it's easy to let work take over your life. But with Reclaim, you can finally find that elusive work-life balance we all crave. This AI-powered scheduling assistant helps you block out time for the things that matter most, whether it's exercise, family time, or just taking a break to recharge. Reclaim integrates with your calendar and automatically adjusts your schedule based on your priorities and availability. So there you have it, folks. 10 AI tools that can seriously level up your productivity game. We're living in the age of AI, and those who embrace these tools will have a clear advantage. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Whether you're a student, a creator, an entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to get more done in less time, these tools can help you unlock a whole new level of efficiency. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. Stay smart, stay productive, and stay curious.